Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Angeles Public School Bagpat online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss again chapter number 6 concept of cost. As you know that in my previous video we have discussed relationship between AC and MC. But today we are going to discuss relationship between ABC and MC. ABC means average variable cost and margin MC means marginal cost. And so now means we will discuss relationship between ABC and MC with the help of diagram and schedule. With the help of diagram and schedule. Schedule is here. Now see diagram. ABC and MC are measured on the y-axis and output is measured on the x-axis. See, first of all, see how will you represent ABC and MCC. This is ABC and this is the minimum point. This is the minimum point of ABC. Now MC curve will be like this. Take point P here. Take point P here. See, when MC is less than ABC, before point P. See, before point P, MC is less than ABC. MC is less than ABC. So, ABC falls. Then, ABC falls with the rise in output. With the rise in output. So this is the first point of relationship between ABC and MC. Now when MC is less than ABC, before point P, MC is less than ABC. MC is less than ABC. It means ABC falls with the rise in output. ABC falls with the rise in output. I hope this point is clear. See next. When MC is equal to ABC. When MC is equal to ABC, see. When MC is equal to ABC at point P. At point P. At point P. Then ABC will be at its minimum point. ABC at its minimum point. See. Then MC cuts ABC at its minimum point, or you can write here. Now, when MC is equal to ABC, when MC is equal to ABC, when MC is equal to ABC, then MC cuts ABC at its minimum point. So I hope this point is clear. Minimum point. See third point. When MC is more than ABC. When MC is more than ABC. When MC is more than ABC after point P. After point P. After point P. Then ABC increases with increase in output. With increase in output. See, after point P, MC is more than ABC. MC is more than ABC. So ABC rises with the rise in output. I hope these 3 points are clear. See next point. Both MC and AVC rise. Both MC and AVC rise after point P. Rise after point P, but MC rises at a faster rate than AVC. See, both MC and AVC rise after point P, but MC rises at a faster rate than AVC. That's why MC curve lie above the AVC curve. MC curve lies. See, that's why MC curve lies above the AVC curve. So I hope this point is also clear. See fifth point. MC and AVC are U-shaped because of law of variable proportion. Now see, AVC and MC are U-shaped because of law of variable proportion. See point number 6 and last point. MC and AVC can be calculated with the help of TVC. You know that what is the formula of AVC? TVC divided by Q. And what is the formula of MC? MCN is equal to TVCN minus 1. We have discussed this in my previous video. See, what do you mean by AVC? Average variable cost refers to per unit variable cost of production. Per unit total variable cost of production. You can say like total variable cost of production or variable cost of production. And MC means formula of MC is this. So I hope all of you have understood these points with the help of diagram. But see, now when MC is less than ACC, now we are going to discuss these points with the help of schedule. See, this is AVC and this is MC. See, when MC is less than AVC, when MC is less than AVC. See, when MC is less than AVC, when MC is less than AVC, when MC is less than AVC, then AVC falls. AVC falls with a rise in output. Then AVC falls with the rise in output. I hope means you can analyze these situations in this table also. See next point. When MC is equal to AVC. When MC is equal to AVC. When MC is equal to AVC. Then MC cuts AVC at its minimum point. Then means, or you can say like this, AVC at its minimum point. When MC is equal to AVC at its minimum point. So I hope this point is also clear. See third point. When MC is more than AVC. See, when MC is more than AVC. When MC is more than AVC, then AVC increases. See, AVC increases with increase in output. So I hope all of you have Understood? Means this point. Both MC and ABC rise. See, both MC and ABC rise. Both MC and ABC rise, but MC rise. See change here. See change here. 1 and see change here 0.3. Then MC rises at a faster rate. Rate means change. Rate means change. Then MC rises at a faster rate than ABC. Then ABC. See next. MC and ABC are U-shaped. Now you can analyze here in diagram, and this point means MC and ABC can be calculated with the help of each other. Means what is the formula of ABC? TBC divided by Q. And what is the formula of MC? Means you will calculate MC with the help of TBC. Second minus first 8. Second minus first 7. Second minus first 6. Second minus first 7. Second minus first 8. Second minus first 9. So I hope all of you have understood relationship between ABC and MC. So please pause the video and note down this. Please write these formulas. See, TC is equal to TVC plus TVFC. TC is equal to TVC plus TFC, or TC is equal to sigma NC plus TFC, or TC is equal to AC into Q. AC into Q. Next, TFC. Now